Today, we're taking a deep dive into the Typhur Sync Oven versus the Emeril Lagasse Dual Zone 360. These two ovens look similar at first glance, but they approach cooking in completely different ways. The Typhur leans heavily into precision and smart automation, while the Emeril Dual Zone is about flexibility, two-zone cooking, and managing different foods at the same time. So rather than just deciding which one is better, this video is really about finding out which one is right for your cooking style. Let's start with what you actually get in the box with each oven, because their accessory setups already tell you how each oven expects to be used. The Emeril Dual Zone 360 gives you quite a bit. You get the wire rack, the baking pan, the two crisper trays, two baking pans, one for each zone, the grill plate, the removable divider that creates that two independent cooking zones, a rotisserie set, drip tray, and a pizza stone. And something you'll hear me mention later, the Emeril really leans on accessories to unlock different cooking functions. So having these right out of the box is a great start. The Typhur Sync Oven takes a much more streamlined approach. You get the baking pan, the wide air fry basket, the wire rack, the crumb tray, and the wireless Smart Food Pro thermometer, which is the star of the show actually. Now Typhur also throws in an orange mitt, which is a nice bonus, ready to go right out of the box. Now Typhur didn't include a ton of accessories, as you can tell, but the ones that they did include are things you'll certainly reach consistently. Now let's walk through some actual cooking tests so you can see how they differ. The first test I ran was salmon, specifically because it helps reveal how each appliance handles precision cooking. With the Typhur, the process was extremely straightforward. I inserted the wireless probe, selected my target internal temperature, chose the doneness I wanted, and the oven tracked everything for me. Once the salmon reached the exact temperature, the oven beeped and shut off automatically. I didn't have to hover, I didn't have to check early. Typhur did all of that on its own. Now with the Emeril Dual Zone 360, there's no food probe, so I brought in my own Chef IQ thermometer. I purposely tested the salmon at a higher temperature because I wanted a firmer texture, but I'll be honest, if I didn't have that external probe, it probably would have overcooked. There's no safeguard there. It won't automatically shut off early based on doneness. You're relying on timers and experience. So for proteins, the Typhur is ahead by a wide margin. Now let's talk pizza. I used a standard DiGiorno frozen pizza to keep things consistent. The Emeril cooked it exactly the way the instructions said, 18 minutes, gave me a perfectly browned, well-cooked pizza, no guesswork involved. Now, that dedicated pizza stone also helps with a crispy crust absorbing excess moisture, and it's one of those thoughtful accessories that makes a measurable difference for the Emeril. Now, for the Typhur, on the other hand, it runs much hotter, far more efficiently, and completely overcooked the pizza. On my retest, the sweetest spot was actually 9 minutes, half the time that was recommended. So if you want speed, Typhur dominates, but if you follow box instructions and just want pizza to turn out right without adjusting, the Emeril is more predictable. Now, let's jump into air frying because this test revealed some real practical differences. The Typhur has a wide single large air fry basket that's fantastic for foods like pork belly, where you want everything laid flat. It gives you more usable surface area, and it's much easier to reach with tongs and flip your food mid-cycle. The only drawback is that the Typhur's drip tray sits closer to the bottom heating element. The fatty foods like pork belly drip a lot, and when that oil hits a very hot tray, it can burn and create some smoke. So you get performance, but with a bit more caution required. The Emeril Dual Zone 360 approaches air frying completely differently. Instead of one big basket, you air fry by dividing the oven into two zones using the divider. Air circulates through both sides and it works, but the spaces are narrower. Flipping pork belly in two separate compartments is a little more awkward. On the plus side, the drip trays sit farther away from the heating elements, so it's much less likely to burn or smoke. Depending on your setup and your accessory layout, you might get the bigger basket, but mine only came with the two smaller ones. Now, the biggest star of the show for the Emeril Dual Zone 360 is being able to cook two different foods in two different temperatures and two different times independently. And in one test, I toasted shade level 5 on the left side and then shade level 1 on the right side just to see how well separation worked. And both slices came out exactly as expected. Level 5 was nearly burnt, which is accurate for level 5, and level 1 was lightly toasted. Even better, Emeril built in a sync feature. If one zone takes longer than the other, the oven automatically delays the faster zone so both finish at the same time. I tested this using simple timers, 3 minutes on one side and 1 minute on the other, and it synced perfectly. And on top of that, the Emeril includes a shake reminder, which at its halfway point, it will beep and let you know to flip over anything that you might be cooking. If you're someone who tends to walk away or multitask, that midpoint alert ensures you give your food a more even cook. Now, before we head into the design portion of this video, I just want to talk about the Ninja. If this dual zone versus the Typhur Sync isn't just right for you, or maybe you're thinking of something a little bit more simple, this Ninja might be the right choice. It also has a very, very large air fry basket. 5 pounds of fries can be cooked in this thing. All right, back to design and usability. The Typhur Sync Oven feels premium. It has dedicated dials for time and temperature, so no pushing an icon first or diving into submenus. You just turn the dial. It also has a built-in heat-resistant cord, which protects your cable if your oven sits near a wall or another appliance. Now, the Emeril Dual Zone 360 is designed around flexibility. You have 2 ovens in one, essentially, and it's more complex, but what that complexity allows you to do is cook 2 completely different dishes at once. The labeling on the interior helps guide you, and once you get used to operating the left and versus the right zone independently, it becomes second nature. So here's the bottom line. If you care about precision cooking, perfectly done proteins, speed, and a wide air fry layout, the Typhur is more advanced oven. The wireless probe alone puts it in a different class. Now, if you care about cooking 2 foods at once, having independent control, and following recipes exactly as written without guesswork, the Emeril Dual Zone 360 is extremely capable. Both ovens are excellent. They just serve different cooking personalities. Now, if you want to see how the Emeril French door compares against the Emeril Dual Zone 360, I've already done that breakdown, and you can find that video on screen or in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.